We've got Dan Pfeiffer. He's a former senior advisor to President Obama. He's tweeting, quote, he's going to be really curious to see whether NBC tries to justify this blank or just does the right thing and apologizes for covering this. We've got Clinton traveling press secretary Nick Merrill-Rick. He's tweeting to NBC, get a life. But, you know, new video shows an interesting history of these the coughing spells. Watch this. Take a listen.
Here, David, you talk. To represent inmates. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. It's okay.
People are here and Senator De Leon works throughout the state. I think it probably.
That's water. Thank you.
All right, but the Clinton campaign is trying to make the health of a possible future president should be off limits. What do you make of that?